Welcome back to Manna Home Design, where we explore brilliant small space living and real New York apartment design. If you love studio apartment tours, smart layout strategies, and maximized urban homes, you're in the right place. This is a 450 square foot one-room studio apartment in Brooklyn, and it feels far bigger than it actually is. No major renovation, no walls added, just smart zoning, intentional design, and a fully maximized layout that transforms a compact footprint into a cozy and functional home. Today we're touring a brilliant 450 square foot Brooklyn studio apartment that proves small space living doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. This one-room apartment uses a carefully planned open layout to define living, sleeping, dining, and storage zones without disrupting flow. From the olive green sofa and marble coffee table anchoring the living area, to the wall banquette dining setup, vertical walk-in closet storage, and a cosmetic kitchen refresh, every decision supports a maximized layout. Even the unrenovated bathroom and integrated sleeping zone are styled to feel intentional, cohesive, and warm. If you're looking for real-world studio apartment inspiration, practical zoning ideas, and Brooklyn small space design strategies that actually work, this tour is for you. If you love brilliant small space living and smart Brooklyn studio design, hit subscribe now for weekly apartment tours and maximized layout ideas. Living zone. Inside this 450 square foot Brooklyn studio, the living zone becomes the emotional center of the one-room apartment. The open layout is carefully maximized so the olive green deep sofa defines the seating area without interrupting flow, maintaining a cozy and functional home environment. A Calacatta Viola marble coffee table introduces rich texture and contrast, while the oversized plush rug creates warmth underfoot, essential in small space living. Muted red and olive tones avoid visual clutter, reinforcing harmony in this Brooklyn studio apartment. Layered art, vintage chairs, and sculptural lighting elevate the aesthetic without overwhelming the footprint. This is small apartment zoning done right, balanced scale, cohesive palette, and intentional placement that transforms a 450 square foot one-room apartment into a refined yet livable space. Sleeping zone. In a 450 square foot one-room apartment, the sleeping zone must integrate seamlessly into the studio layout. Here in this Brooklyn apartment, the bed becomes part of the architecture, blending into warm cream walls to preserve openness and maximize visual continuity. The taupe upholstered frame echoes the neutral palette of the living area, reinforcing a cohesive design language throughout the open-plan studio. Framed art and vinyl album artwork add personality without breaking the calm aesthetic of this cozy and functional home. By avoiding heavy partitions, this Brooklyn studio uses zoning instead of walls. The result is a maximized space where the bedroom feels intimate yet connected, proving that even in 450 square feet, thoughtful layout design can create comfort without compromise. Child nook. Within this 450 square foot Brooklyn studio, even a child's sleeping nook finds its place inside the one-room apartment layout. Strategic positioning creates privacy while maintaining the openness that defines this maximized small space. The compact daybed, small desk, and woven basket storage demonstrate functional design in a studio environment. Every square inch supports daily life, reinforcing the idea that a cozy and functional home is about efficiency, not excess. Layered eclectic art and accessible storage integrate the child's area into the broader aesthetic of the apartment. In this Brooklyn one-room studio, zoning, warmth, and thoughtful planning make shared small space living feel intentional and balanced. Dark contrast kitchen. In this 450 square foot one-room apartment, the kitchen becomes a dramatic contrast zone within the Brooklyn studio layout. Dark painted cabinets and a charcoal ceiling create depth inside a compact footprint. Peel-and-stick wallpaper, updated hardware, and white vinyl flooring showcase a cosmetic refresh strategy that maximizes function without major renovation. Open shelving blends dry goods with curated display. The result is a highly functional cooking space that complements the brighter living areas. In this Brooklyn studio, contrast, zoning, and efficient layout planning transform limited square footage into a cohesive and cozy urban home. Dining plus work zone. In a 450 square foot one-room apartment, every area must serve multiple purposes. This Brooklyn studio transforms a small footprint into a dining and work zone using banquette seating flush against the wall to reduce visual clutter. The substantial marble dining table adds presence and durability, grounding the open layout. An oversized mirror reflects winter daylight, visually expanding the studio and reinforcing the maximized space strategy. By combining workspace and dining area, this Brooklyn apartment supports daily functionality without sacrificing style. It's a perfect example of how smart zoning turns a compact studio into a cozy and highly efficient urban home. Unrenovated bathroom. This 450 square foot Brooklyn studio embraces its unrenovated bathroom, proving that a one-room apartment doesn't require full renovation to feel elevated. Original tile and natural winter light add character. Display shelves styled with vintage art and framed textiles personalize the space without structural changes. This cosmetic styling approach aligns with the maximized space philosophy seen throughout the studio. By embracing original architecture and layering meaningful decor, this cozy and functional home demonstrates how even imperfect spaces can contribute to the warmth and identity of a Brooklyn apartment. Library wall. Even in a 450 square foot Brooklyn studio, a library wall becomes possible through vertical design. In this one-room apartment, open shelving transforms blank wall space into layered storage and artistic display. Vintage books, coffee table stacks, handmade ceramics, and local artwork create depth while maintaining a cohesive palette. This approach keeps the studio feeling curated, not cluttered. By maximizing vertical space and mixing functional storage with decorative elements, this cozy and functional home demonstrates how thoughtful display can define zones within a small one-room apartment layout. Walk-in closet. Storage is critical in a 450 square foot one-room apartment, and this Brooklyn studio solves it with a compact walk-in closet engineered for maximum efficiency. Vertical built-in stretch to the ceiling, maximizing every cubic inch. Shoes, seasonal blankets, luggage, and everyday clothing each have designated compartments, reinforcing organization in a small space environment. Ladder access ensures functionality without wasting height. Storage is critical in a 450 square foot one-room apartment, and this Brooklyn studio solves it with a compact walk-in closet engineered for maximum efficiency. Vertical built-in stretch to the ceiling, maximizing every cubic inch. For more brilliant studio apartment inspiration and real small space strategies that actually work, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tour.